Is this thing on?
I finally got the DJI mini mic mini. Whatever you want to call it. The wireless microphone. The one that everybody says is good. I've been seeing it on TikTok and I've been seeing it like on YouTube and woo. So now I finally got it. And now I'm finna, hold on, technical difficulties. Now I'm finna open it up and see how it is. Mother freaker. I really just begin stuff because I be wanting my content to be A1, stay on. I know you're not really supposed to do that. You're supposed to just like post. But I'm the type of person, I'm not finna just post anything and it just be horrible. Because if I don't like it, I'm not gonna post it. This will come in a box. You got the little manual. I think it's a manual. Yeah. Then it came in the little pouch. I got the little furry. What is these? The little furry mic. It got a little furry mics in there. The little, you know, the little that catch wind. Y'all know what I'm talking about. This is like the little pouch to hold the mic so you don't lose them. Because if you know me, I would definitely lose these mics. But that was a lot of money. That was like $180. So we're gonna try not to lose them. At least I hope. I'm trying not to. I don't know. I ain't making no promises. But we're gonna see we're gonna see how it sounds. That's gonna determine. We're gonna see how it sounds. That's gonna determine like how my content goes like after this. You see how sexy this bot look? Boy, hold on. Peek ain't I? It's like you wish that was you, huh? Ha! You wish that was you. But it's not you though. You don't got this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I see a lot going on here. I just see a whole lot of blinking. I don't know what it's supposed to be happening. Hold on. Let me read the manual right quick. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. This is actually more complicated than a Rode mic. Just saying. But hold on. We finna figure this out. We are about to figure this out together. Bro, what in the actual? Okay, so we got a plug on there for your phone and the camera. I'm not gonna be using it for my phone though because I bought the camera for a reason, you know? Tight. Well, no, I might use it for I might get ready with me. Step 1, take the thing out of the box. Check. Step 2, slap the thing on top of the camera. I'm finna switch it over. I'm finna switch my mic to my mic. And we're gonna see how this sound. And if it sound good, I think we got it figured out. And if you can hear me, say aye. Alright, I'm just gonna assume you said aye. But mind you, can you even see the mic? Hell no. Can y'all hear me though? You can hear me from over here. You can hear me from even in this room. Right? Exactly. You see how hard that is? You can even hear me when I whisper over here. Hi. How are you? Is it? My breath's not out, by the way. Okay, go. All I'm saying is, listen, but you, bro, what? I did not know this mic was that good. This mic is hitting, no cap. I could even be on the floor, just talking to y'all like this. Like, this is the coolest shit. Hold on. And then it's a magnet on y'all. It's a magnet on the thing. It's like y'all can, it's like we can just talk about anything, you know? How y'all day been? Yeah, I think I love this mic. This gotta be the best mic I ever seen in my life. Have you ever had one of these? No, it's a great investment. Best 180 ever spent. Y'all should go get y'all one. It got a magnet on the back so you ain't gotta clip it on your shirt. It just stick. Rodes don't do that. No offense to Rodes, but DJIs, they ahead of the game, buddy. They are ahead of themselves. I appreciate it. And then it's so small, like you can't even see it. I want you to really sit here and understand. This is a thick jacket, like thick, right? It's a thick jacket. The magnet is going between the thickness of the jacket on the mic. And it's just sitting there, it's floating. I'm telling y'all, y'all need to go get y'all one of these. It's a chicken salad. But yeah, that's, you know what? This is the best investment ever. Best investment I could have invested in. You come here often? You see, I'm barely even talking. You can just hear everything, like, so you can hear my thoughts or something. I'm not even looking at the camera, you know what I'm saying? You see how we having this nice talk, and I'm not even looking at you? It's like you talking behind my back. Don't talk behind my back. I ain't good with reviews, but just get y'all one. That's like the best thing, that's like the best review you could, I could tell y'all, like, just get you one. It come in this little small box. It come with 2 different mics, a little transmitter, or whatever you would call it. It's cool, it goes to your phone. It come with an app. Now at first I couldn't understand it because it seemed like it was a little It seemed a little complicated at first. It was. It definitely was at first. But that don't mean I just, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, just know it's good, but get y'all one. I got content to make. This gonna be amazing. Get on my camera.
Shit that dead low. Rilo just walked in, shit, like 10 diamond tennis row. My